Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP JPY and as you can see, I'm in the 4 hours time frame. Okay, and if we just look at the chart, then we can easily see that market is in uptrend. There is no doubt about it. Okay, more or less, if we look at the chart, then we can see that the chart looks quite clean. Okay, clean uptrend. And as I always say, we should always follow the trend. Okay. And if you are a beginner, then you should never go against the trend. Always follow the trend. And following the trend means if a market is in uptrend, then you should only look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, then you should only look for shorting opportunities. And this market is in uptrend, therefore we will only look for buying opportunity. Secondly, before executing any order or before going for any trade, we should always look for the area of value. Area of value means the best trading spot or the best trading opportunity. In an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity is always near the support, and in a downtrend market, the best trading opportunity is always near the resistance. So, best buying opportunity in uptrend market is near the support, and best shorting opportunity in downtrend market is near the resistance. This market is in uptrend, therefore we need to find the support. Okay, and you can see that this blue line is the 50 moving average, and you can see that 50 moving average is doing the job of support, because see, whenever market is coming down, it is getting support from the 50 moving average. 50 moving average is trying to provide the required support to the market. You can see here, here, here and here. So whenever market is coming down, it is getting support from the 50 moving average. Okay, therefore our best trading opportunity is the 50 moving average. So our first trading opportunity, okay, first trading opportunity is to go for buy near the 50 moving average. Okay, and right now you can see that market is coming down, so wait for the market to come down and hit the 50 moving average. When it will reach the 50 moving average, then do not buy blindly. Okay, you need to observe the price, you need to observe the market, try to read the chart, try to understand the market emotion. Because see here, uh, when market came down to the 50 moving average, it did not go up right away, rather it traded below the 50 moving average for quite a few hours. Okay, if something happens like this, then your heart will beat faster. Okay, probably you'll have a heart attack. Therefore do not buy it blindly. Okay, so if market comes down to the 50 moving average, wait for the confirmation. Confirmation can be in the form of a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern, or a price rejection from below, or a candlestick like this, or a green candle like this. Once you get a confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is the valid resistance, it is still providing the support to the market, then you can go for the buy order. Okay, when you see that market is bouncing from the 50 moving average, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is the valid support. Okay, then you can go for the buy order. So this is our first trading opportunity. Before discussing the second trading opportunity, I would like to take you to the weekly time frame. So this is the weekly chart, and if you have watched my previous videos, then you know it pretty well that I'm a fan of multi-time frame analysis, and I prefer the weekly time frame to just get the idea what the big boys are doing. So this is the weekly time frame, and if we just look at the weekly time frame, we can see that market is in, hands down, market is in huge uptrend. There is no doubt about it. Okay, market is very much bullish. But if I zoom out the chart, then you can see that there is a resistance here. Okay, there is a resistance here, and right now market is trading at the resistance only. Okay. If you look at the candle from the previous week, you can see that it tried to go up, but the market could not. Okay, market could not cross the resistance. Yes, market formed a green candle in total, but market could not cross the resistance. And this week we can see that market has formed a red candle and somewhat price is struggling at the resistance. Okay, therefore we have a resistance from the weekly chart. I have already discussed the first buying opportunity. Okay, so your first buying opportunity is near the 50 moving average. Okay, 50 moving average is your first buying opportunity. I cannot write down the exact figure because see, this is a dynamic support. I do not have the exact figure. Okay. So your second trading opportunity will be, okay, those, this is your first. Your second trading opportunity will be when market will cross this particular resistance. Let me write it down for you. When market will cross this particular level, okay, let's make it a round figure, 156. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so this is your second trading opportunity, 156.0. So when market will cross this level, okay, when market will cross this level, then you'll get the next trading opportunity or the second trading opportunity. Let's assume if market crosses this level, then you need to wait for 4 to 6 hours and you need to observe the price. As I always say, confirmation is extremely important, and here also you need a confirmation. If market crosses this level, do not buy away blindly. Wait for the market to trade above this level. Okay, wait for the market to trade above this level comfortably for 4 to 6 hours. Try to read the chart, try to understand the chart, try to understand the market emotion. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours market is trading comfortably, it is not struggling, price is not struggling, then you will get the confirmation that yes, the resistance has become the support. Okay, and you can go for a buy order above this level. And the resistance, if the when the resistance will become the support, then our theory of area of value will come in place. Always buy near the support in an uptrend market. So you'll have to wait for the market until and unless the resistance become the support. Okay, so these are the two best trading opportunities in GBP JPY chart as of now. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.